Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, oh my god, let me just tell you, I feel so good. I haven't put makeup on for like 2 weeks, maybe even longer than that, because of this whole coronavirus thing. I've barely left my house, only to go get groceries a few times and then some prescriptions for my grandma. I've worn the same clothes 3 days in a row now. Not this, I changed. I did have a black shirt on, which I was loving, but I got makeup all over it, so I had to change to this, and it was in the dryer, so it's all wrinkly. So this is what you get, or you can have the makeup shirt. I just thought wrinkles would be better. Anyway, I feel like I haven't filmed in my makeup room right here in so long. It's been over a month, I think. So it kind of was weird just getting back to it again, not gonna lie. But this whole quarantine thing, it's really weird. Weird times, scary times. Been working from home, so I rarely leave my house. Jared just went to work this morning. He works in healthcare, so he still has to work. So I won't see him for 48 hours, but I've been working from home and I like it. I get a lot more done. It's just, I feel so homeless. I barely get up in time to get out of bed to clock in. I don't brush my hair. It's just weird times, but it feels so good to be put together a little bit finally. I feel like a human again. Like I said, haven't been put together in 2 weeks, so this feels good. So today's video, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I was waiting for the right moment because I had just done this a month ago, and so I couldn't do it back to back. But I got a question on how I clean my makeup brushes, and like I said, I've been wanting to show you guys this because Jared got me something really cool for Christmas, but I had just cleaned them a month ago, so I didn't want to clean them too much. I usually clean my brushes once a month. There for a while I went for 4 months and I didn't clean my brushes. Ew. So I'm wanting to get back to that habit of once a month cleaning my brushes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm showing you the cool little tool that Jared got me that is super helpful. It goes by so much faster than what I used to do. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my makeup brushes clean, then please keep watching. Okay, so to start off, first you obviously need dirty brushes, and I have plenty here. I have a lot. Like I said, I haven't cleaned my brushes in over a month, so I'm just gonna be grabbing all the brushes that I want to clean today. This cool little makeup brush cleaner thing that Jared got me, it literally nowhere says the name of what brand it is or anything. I just asked him where he got it, and he said he got it from some website that he really wouldn't recommend, because I do know that he ordered it and it took 2 months to get here. I didn't actually get this until my birthday, and he ordered it in November, and my birthday is the end of January. So I don't know the brand of it, and I don't know where he got it, so I can't really put a link down for you guys, but I'm sure if you guys just Googled this or something, it would very easily pop up. But this is the makeup brush bowl. It looks like a little fish bowl. You can put a little fish in there, and you got some different brush size attachments. If you see here, one of the end of my brushes is stuck in this one. I cannot get it out. Jared got it out the first time, and now I just haven't even tried to get it out. And then you got these little middle pieces. They attach to this battery powered spinner thing where you attach the end of this piece in there, and then which is attached to the brush. And yeah, so this is all that I use. And then I just have my glass of water here. I do about 5 brushes, and then I switch out the water just because it gets pretty dirty. To clean my brushes, this might be really weird, I don't know, but to me it kind of sounds like a little genius. But before, when I would clean my brushes, I would just go on Pinterest, find some makeup brush cleaner combination things, and I don't know, a lot of times I was putting dish soap in there and olive oil, coconut oil, which I don't mind those things. The dish soap stuff just kind of threw me off. I have really not the best skin and acne and stuff to start with, so I just didn't like the fact I was putting dish soap on my face. So I just kind of thought, why wouldn't I not use my face wash stuff? So today I'm going to be using the CeraVe, I think that's how you say it, foaming facial cleanser. This is for oil control because, like I have said in my videos, I have oily skin, and this is very nice. I love it. It makes my face feel so just clean once I'm done, and it doesn't leave it feeling dry. People might think I'm weird for this, but I think it's kind of a genius idea because I feel like it's not going to be harmful to my skin if I clean my makeup brushes with this, because I already put it on my face to wash my face. So yeah, that's what I use. So I'm just going to take some of this water and dump it in here, and this black part does come off to make it for an easier pour. Hopefully I don't spill it in my lap. And you're not going to put a lot. It dripped. You're not going to put a lot of water in there because you don't want to fill it all the way up. You're just going to like put a little at the end, and then you're going to take and put like, I'm going to put 5 squirts of face wash stuff in there. I'm going to put my cap back on, and then I'm just gonna take the end of a makeup brush and just kind of like mix it around. And then we might as well just start with this brush since I have it. So the point of these things is you want to find one that's going to fit the end of your makeup brushes. I'm gonna take this small little guy, I'm just gonna stuff it right in there. Then I'm going to take one of my clippy things and put it in the opposite end. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna take my little power thing and I'm gonna just like clip it in there as such, and then this little guy just like powers it and rotates it super fast. It's like a little fan. So I'm going to point you guys down now. So I move the camera down. Oh no you guys fell. Sorry about that. Okay, so now that we have our water in here, I'm going to take this brush, I'm gonna stick it in there, kind of just gonna dab it a little, like a few times. And then I'm gonna like turn it on. I'm gonna run it in there like a few seconds, maybe like 10. You kind of don't want to push it all the way to the ground or the bottom of it, because that's when it stops. I'm just gonna spin it around in there. As you can see, the water got very makeup-y, so there's a lot of makeup on this brush. And then once I think it's clean, I'm just gonna pull it up and just spin it in the air so that it dries. And then I have a clean makeup brush. And it's like literally almost dry already. And if it's not dry, you can always just stick it back in there and do it a few more seconds and bring it back up and dry. Like, this is the fastest that I've ever cleaned my makeup brushes, so I love it. Now done with that one, we're gonna move on to this big guy, this big honker. I'm just gonna use the same attachment because they're the same brushes, just different heads. Going to dip it in a few times, make sure I get the wash on it, and I'm gonna spin it, rinse it. This one's a little thicker of a brush, so I'm gonna spin it a while longer to make sure that it gets really dry. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so dry and so soft. Like, it feels so good. Just love this thing. So as you can see, this is the end, the brush that I was using, that the end got caught in here. I try not to put these ones in this, and if I do, I don't push it all the way down, like, because those were like the first brushes that I cleaned when I got it and I didn't know. Yeah, if you do use brushes that have like some kind of cap on the end of them, if you are using this, I would just not push them in all the way, or maybe just use something else to clean them, because it was very hard to get this out of here the first time, and like I didn't even want to try the second time. Guys, I've literally been doing this for like maybe 3 minutes, and I have like 9 brushes left, but I've already done 9 too. So this is just so much faster than cleaning your makeup brushes in the sink or something, because then I'll show you what I used to use, and it's just way faster and I don't have to wait for them to dry. They're already dried once I get done, like once I take it out of this water thing. So I'm not washing these brushes because the one that I need to use this one, and it's stuck and I do not feel like trying to work that out of there. I'll just wait till Jared gets back and can get it out for me. So yeah, that is the process of how I get my brushes clean. Look at all that makeup in there. That's so gross. But anyway, I was going to show you what I used before I got this. This is just a little pad thing you can attach to your sink. Like it has like little suction cup things, and it's just got different patterns. So you can rub your brushes across each pattern to get them in different grooves. And I would just put some cleaner on this and just like scrub the brush on each of these patterns and get it clean. And then obviously you have to set a towel out or something out for them to lay there and dry for like a whole day. And that was just a long process, and I ain't got time for that anymore. I'm so glad that Jared got me this, where I can literally clean all of my brushes in under 20 minutes right away. When I take it out of here, it's dry and I don't have to worry about leaving them out for a whole day to dry. So I just love this, and I just wanted to show you guys. I will try and find a very similar one or this one to link down below, but like I said before, I'm sure you could just type in like on Google makeup spinner cleaning brush thing and it'll probably pop up. I'm pretty confident. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you and your families are staying safe from this coronavirus madness. If you are in quarantine, I hope you are taking it seriously, and I hope you guys are finding fun things to keep yourself busy. Hopefully we can get through this sooner rather than later. This has already tremendously affected myself and Jared. We actually ended up having to reschedule our wedding because of this. We were supposed to be getting married in a month from yesterday, but we had to reschedule it to July. So we're really bummed about it, but we're trying to keep positive and look on the positive side of things. And hopefully everybody's health will be in much better shape by then. Hopefully they'll have some sort of further testing. We're just very hopeful. We can't wait till we are back to a normal schedule like I'm sure everybody is. I know God has a plan for us, and I know He's gonna get us all through it. So that was just a really long way of saying I hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine as much as you can, and I hope you and your family are staying safe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, or if you like my makeup cleaning brush style that I do. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get in on all my future uploads, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!